See this, the trash can. The contents of the trash can, all the files that you're seeing inside the trash can, they're actually stored locally inside a folder. Said folder is home directory /local/share/trash/files. Let's go to set directory. Let's go to set directory. Open the command line. Okay, let me enlarge the text so that it's more visible and clear to you. Now go to the local trash directory. Like I said, it's all the contents of the trash can, they are stored in whatever your home folder is, /local to denote the hidden file, on Unix based systems like Linux, Mac OS and FreeBSD, the so-called POSIX compliant systems. The hidden files as well as the hidden directory, they start with a dot. Okay, so .local/share/trash/files. Okay, now let's list the contents of said directory. See these icons -16.png, icon.ico and test file. These are the same files you saw in the trash can. Okay, for this video, let's send a file to the trash can from the command line. I'm gonna be sending this photo, To do that, we use the mv command. Type mv then the path of the file. Now let's move that here. Let's copy that because I'm lazy. I don't want to type it out again. Okay, now hit the enter key. Let's see if the files have been added now. See, the dip photo has been moved to the trash can. Now let's remove a file from the trash can using the command line. First, let's relist the file. Let's list the contents of the trash can directory. Okay, now let's permanently remove the icon.ico file. This file, icon.ico file. rmicon.ico. Did I spell this right? icon.ico. Yes. Now let's relist the files. Now let's relist the contents of the trash can directory. See, the icon.ico file is gone. You can also see it's gone here. You cannot see it here in the GUI version of the trash can. Okay, so now to restore the file, basically you use the mv command again. The idea is to move the file back to wherever you picked it up from when you were, sending it to the trash can from the command line. You basically just use the mv command to move it back. In this example, dip.jpg file, I picked it up from my desktop and I moved it to the trash can folder. Let's just move it back using the mv command to the desktop. MV. First, let me show you the desktop, the dip file. Obviously, you can't see that picture file, that dip photo of that cartoon character named Dib. MV. And now the name of the file. I'll move it back to the desktop. Now let's see if it is back. Yes, as you can see, the dip file is back on the desktop. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.